What goes up must come down. The question is where. Scientists say they will not know the exact entry point of the 22-ton Chinese rocket until it's so close it's only hours away from re-entry. Experts say don't panic. This is not like the Hollywood blockbusters where the impact of something from outer space threatens to end the world. But uncontrolled space junk crashing back to Earth is a growing concern. What's expected to hit Earth this weekend is the empty core of a rocket that's been losing orbit since its launch, much of which should burn up in the atmosphere. But some pieces could get through, like last year, when the largest piece of space debris in 30 years landed in the Atlantic Ocean and over parts of Africa, remnants of a similar Chinese rocket.
The Chinese have this new type of rocket called the Long March 5B, and unlike other big rockets, it litters space by leaving its big 20-ton core stage in orbit. American rockets, Russian rockets, European rockets don't do that.
Chinese state media says the risks of it hitting a populated area are low and suggests it may fall in international waters or burn up on re-entry. A fair guess since more than 70% of the planet is covered in water. The United States is tracking its course and says right now it has no plans to shoot it down. But with a cloud of 9,000 tons of rocket boosters, dead satellites, and other hardware floating above, there are growing calls for more regulation of what gets sent up to space and how it returns.
As we think about launching thousands of objects into low Earth orbit here, we need norms of behavior so that everybody's playing off the same sheet of music and everybody is focused on safety of flight. We just don't have that sort of thing right now.
Until then, all eyes are on the skies this weekend, with the questions of when, where,